Hi, I'm John Stahl, the owner and founder of Next Generation Systems and the developer of Dura-Fix. Dura-Fix is engineered to remain flexible and move with the natural expansion and contraction of wood. Conventional epoxy fillers will tend to crack and can even accelerate future decay by allowing moisture to penetrate. Dura-Fix is designed to provide the strength and flexibility needed for a durable, long-lasting repair. For large repairs, Dura-Fix can be used in combination with Dutchman splicing. Dura-Fix provides consistent curing in a wide range of temperatures. Dura-Fix Cold Weather is designed for overnight cure at temperatures between 40 and 70 degrees. Our warm weather formula is designed for applying in temperatures between 70 and 95 degrees. Both formulas offer a durable, long-lasting repair for all temperature and humidity conditions. Dura-Fix is available in our dual cartridge dispensing system, as well as our unique 2-in-1 cartridge that fits a standard caulk gun. Both systems are resealable and deliver the material in precise amounts with no product waste. Simply unscrew the cap, dispense the desired amount onto a clean, flat surface. Mix thoroughly using a putty knife. Dura-Fix won't slump, shrink, or sag even on a vertical surface. Dura-Fix can be positioned in place without the dragging and pulling commonly found with conventional epoxy fillers. After curing, provide a light sand and it's ready for paint. Dura-Fix could also be tinted during the mixing process to match natural wood finishes. Dura-Fix can be purchased from select retail stores on Amazon or on our website at www.nxtgensys.com. We also offer a 2-hour hands-on training course both in person and virtually. To find out more information on the training options available, visit our website.